racing yet. Just follow Mater into town till you
I know your nails. Show me your nails, Haley. Show me your nails.
Great, huh? And you wanna be hey, here we go, Trapper Killer. It's easy. Just sneak up on him and pump. Ready? Don't let that get you.
See that? Oh my god.
This is awesome.
Probably just a bad spark plug. Yippee.
Radiator spring.
Now we need to be fast.
You need to look fast. Ka-chow. Come on.
That's probably why we don't have that. Oh my god. Oh. Stand up. Yeah.
Come on in, rookie.
Shiny pink.
Oh, there's Doc.
Now get out there and do us proud.
There's Luigi.
Well, you can't win if you don't race. Right, nigga. And you sure was fast.
That was really clear.
Now listen. When your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember,